Hello everyone, welcome to weekly GK updates. Let's start our interesting session. First, a rare long snouted vine snake has been rediscovered in which tiger reserve? The answer is Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. Here are some interesting facts about this. The rare long snouted vine snake was recently rediscovered during a rhino release at Dugdwa Tiger Reserve in Uttar Pradesh. This is the first sighting in Uttar Pradesh and only the second in India, with the first being in Valmiki Tiger Reserve, Bihar. The snake's usual habitat is in Southeast Asia and it was also spotted earlier in parts of Odisha. The second one is Madhavpur Gate Fair is organized in which state every year? The answer is Gujarat. Here are some interesting facts about this. The first 5 day Madhavpur Gate Fair organized in Madhavpur, Porbandar district, Gujarat, celebrating the divine union of Dwarkadhish Sri Krishna and Rukshmani ji. It promotes cultural unity between Western and Northeastern India under the vision of Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat. One India, Great India, launched by the PM. More than 1600 artists from northeast states and Gujarat presents culture performance. The third one is river blindness that was recently seen in news is a neglected tropical disease caused by which agent? The answer is parasite. Here are some interesting facts. A new study of the Geological Survey of India used DNA barcoding to identify black fly species that spread river blindness. River blindness is caused by the parasite worm named Onchocerca volvulus. The disease is spread through the bite of infected black flies from the genus Smuleum. These black flies breed near fast flowing rivers and streams. The disease mainly affects people in rural and remote areas. Symptoms include severe skin itching, skin damage, and in the serious cases, permanent blindness. Permanent blindness, sorry. It is especially prevalent in sub-Saharan Africa, Yemen, and Latin America. The next is, what is the name of the new policy launched by the Indian government to consolidate regional rural banks? The answer is one state, one regional rural bank. Here are some interesting facts. The Ministry of Finance is launching the One State, One Regional Rural Bank policy. The aim is to improve efficiency and cut costs in the banking system. The number of regional rural banks will be reduced from 43 to 28. The move is part of the fourth phase of regional rural bank consolidation. 15 regional rural banks are set to be merged across several states. Andhra Pradesh, which has 4 regional rural banks, will see major restructuring. Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, each with 3 regional rural banks, will also undergo consolidation. States with 2 regional rural banks like Bihar, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, and Rajasthan. Regional rural banks are established under the Regional Rural Bank Act 1976. The purpose is to support rural credit for farmer, artisans, and rural workers. The next is Hitesh Gulia won which medal at the World Boxing Cup 2025 in Brazil? The answer is gold. Here are some interesting facts. Hitesh Gulia from India won the gold medal in the men's 70 kg category at the World Boxing Cup 2025. The tournament was held in Fort do Languçu, Brazil. Hitesh fought in the red corner and defeated Odell Kamara of England in the final match. Abhinash Jwa- uh, Jambal. Abhinash Jambal, another Indian boxer, won the silver medal in the men's 55 kg category. He lost to Yuri Reis of Brazil with a score of 0-5 in the final. Manish Rathod secured the bronze medal in the men's 55 kg category. These wins contributed to India's overall medal totally at the International Boxing Tournament. This is all to this video, and for more interesting videos, please like, share, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.